So hello, I'm Andy Taylor and I'll be your Nunchaku instructor today. Today we're here to learn the one-handed butterfly, which is this. So I'd ask you to subscribe to my channel because my channel is very new at the moment. I do hope I'm growing. I'd also ask you to check the description down below because I've got this whole video timestamped for your convenience. And please enjoy the tutorial after my intro. Right, so there's going to be no easy way for you to learn this apart from drill, drill, drill and drill it some more. So I've got you covered with you learning this move. So I'm going to break it down the best I can so you can do the move yourself. Now, what we're going to concentrate on first is learning this side stall. Okay, this side stall is one of the most easiest stalls that you can do, and it's probably the most basic stall that you can do. There are other stalls, but I'm not going to cover that. So what we're going to do here is when we got this side stall and the stick is as straight as possible, we're literally just going to let the stick go. But when we let this go, okay, with, say you're doing it with your non-dominant hand, which I'll be doing for the remainder of this tutorial, okay, you're going to grab your forefinger and your middle finger, and you're going to hook it almost like an eagle going to grab its prey, you know, it goes like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to catch the nunchuck, just like that eagle will go to catch its prey. Whoosh. Next of all, if you concentrate on this now, yeah, your forefinger and your middle finger is pointing in towards your body, yeah? What you're going to do then is you're going to turn this, so your middle finger and your forefinger is pointing out. But you're going to need to do this all in one motion, see, because this, that itself doesn't look very good. But if you do it like this, it looks a little bit more interesting, okay? So this is the butterfly. This is basically the first part to learning this butterfly. And I'm also going to show you from a different angle. Right, so we learned how to make them cross on the bottom. Wasn't too hard. Now the hardest part is learning how to make them cross on the top, okay? So you're making them cross on the top and the bottom, that's 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, okay? Which is crossing at 12 and 6. Now I'm going to show you from the side, okay? The reason why is because the furthest apart on the bottom, these bottoms of the sticks here, the furthest apart on the bottom and the furthest apart on the top. So the top is 12 o'clock and the bottom is 6 o'clock, okay? So the furthest apart up here and here. Pay attention to that in your technique because that is very important. Right, I'm going to broach this second part of the technique a little bit more differently to a specific action which you do near enough every single day, which I believe is very similar to getting them to reset on the top. And I think it's a far more easier way to explain to you, sir, that you can kind of relate to this, okay? So once you've got them to cross on the bottom, which is this. Now to get them to cross on the top, okay, so we've done that. Okay, so this. We've just opened our door. And then we think, I forgot something from the shop. So we're going to close it now. So we need to reset our hands to lock our door. And then we think, I forgot my shopping list. And then we need to reset it there again. So we've just reset it there at the bottom again. So what has just gone on is we go here. Okay, now watch this. Now we've got to reverse it, see? So I'm going to give you a little bit of a hand with this. So what I want you to bring in a second hand, okay? So when you get this to cross on the top, okay? Now do you see how this stick is over here going over your forefinger, right? I want you to flick this way, okay? But at the same time, I want you to have this stick, you're going to grab your palm up, the ends of this stick, okay? So when you fling this way, I just want you to fling this into it. And that is going to cause that crossing motion at the top. So we go here. Yeah. We're going to fling this way and this way. Yeah. So watch. Whoosh. And that is the crossing on the top, which we want, okay? So now, we've just made a cross on the top and the bottom. Well, where do we go here? So, this is where we're going to go back to the door now, okay? So we go to lock our door. We've gone to reverse it and we've gone to unlock it. And then we've gone to lock it again. Or unlock it again because we've forgot maybe our shopping list. So we're going to go into our door. To keep this bearing in mind, we're staying here. So we come out now. And now we need to relock it, okay, because we're going out shopping. Now we need to reset this, okay? So it's this continuous motion of you setting and resetting your hand, okay? That is very important when broaching this move, because if you can't get that concept, that makes this move near enough impossible, okay? So I hope this helped you out. We're going to move on now onto some variations which you can do after learning this move. I'm just going to demonstrate each one maybe once or twice.
These mortals have awakened the gods of old. We rise from our slumber to reveal our true power. Focus fire.
Yeah, so that's awesome. Yeah, so that's basically how to do the move. So if this helped you in any way, please do remember to subscribe, smash that notification bell to get notified when I release the latest content, yeah? And until then, please be patient. My room is in the middle of being decorated and stuff like that, so there's big things going on. Hopefully I'll have a nice backdrop by the time I'm done. And yeah, cheers for tuning in, and I'll see you next time, guys.